Okay, kiddos. So you guys were asked to look at 9 and 10. When I did number 9, I got 2y squared times the square root of 3x. The reason why that works out is 12 breaks down to be 2 times 2 times 3. I have an x and I have 4 y's. For every pair of something, I take something out. So I had a pair of 2's. So that's how I got the 2 here. I had two pairs of y's. That's how I got each of the y's in front of the radicals. So I got 2y squared times the square root of 3x. Now when I look at number 10, um, I had broke it down. I got three threes, three twos, two x's, and one y. So for the pair of threes, I took one out. For the pair of twos, I took one out. For the pair of x's, I took another one out. So that got me 6x. I multiplied the 3 and the 2 to get me 6y. Now, we're going to expand on what we've been doing here, and we're going to look at it in regards with other roots. So we're going to look at something called the third root of 56. We're going to do it the same way we did the other ones. So I'm breaking it down. Third root of 56 breaks down to be 7 times 8. 7 times 2 times 2 times 2 is the same thing as the third root of 56. Now, when I look at the last question, it was saying I was taking the square root. So because I'm taking the square root, I'm looking for 2 of something. Well, now I'm taking the third root, so I'm looking for 3 of something. So I have a 3 2's, which means for every 3 of something, remember I'm taking the root, that tells me the number of that thing that gets me the number I'm looking for. I have 3 2's, so I can take 1 2, which leaves me with a 7 underneath the radical sign. When I look at 64, I know that is 8 times 8, and I'm looking the fourth root. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 gets me the 8, and then I have another 3 2's being multiplied together. So I'm looking for 4 because I'm looking for 4 of something that helps me get that number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's times the fourth root of 2 times 2, which is 2 times the fourth root of 4. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do is, with that said, I'm going to ask you guys to try the last two, and we will talk about those next day in class. Have a good evening.